In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you manage email marketing in Mailchimp, keeping your audience list clearly labeled is essential. A precise audience name helps teammates avoid mistakes, keeps reports tidy, and makes integrations easier to manage. Today, we'll walk through how to update an audience name inside Mailchimp step by step, in a quick and confidence-boosting way. First, sign in to your Mailchimp account and look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation. Click Audience. This takes you to the central hub for your contacts. You'll see information about your subscribers, segments, and tools related to that list. Make sure you're on the audience you intend to rename so the change applies to the right place. Next, move your attention to the top right of the audience page. There's a three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. Click that. This menu groups together actions and configuration items that aren't shown by default, so it's the quickest route to the settings you need. From that menu, choose Audience Settings. This opens the configuration area for your current audience. Think of it as the control panel where you manage details that define how your audience behaves and appears across Mailchimp. Inside the settings, look for the option to edit the audience name and click Edit. You're now in the right spot to rename the list. Before you type, consider a naming convention that makes sense for your organization. For example, include the brand or department, the region, and the purpose. Clear, consistent names prevent mix-ups, especially if your workspace has multiple lists or if teammates collaborate across campaigns. Enter the new audience name. Aim for something descriptive, easy to recognize, and future-proof. Avoid internal codes only a few people understand. Keep it short enough to read at a glance, and make sure it matches how your team labels campaigns and segments elsewhere. Remember, this name may appear in places like forms, automations, and integrations, so clarity matters. Once you've updated the name, you're set. The new label will help you quickly identify the right audience when creating campaigns, building journeys, or reviewing reports. Renaming an audience doesn't change your subscribers, tags, or segments. It simply gives the list a clearer identity. If you don't see the options mentioned, ensure you're working on a desktop-sized window and that your account role has permission to manage audience settings. With that, your audience is now easier to find, understand, and use across your Mailchimp workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.